Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, because I'm going to drop some valuable content as we go along with this video. If you're excited about this one, yeah, just like the video, subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. By the way, if you are looking to download stuff, Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, courses that people are selling out there, everything that people are selling out there regarding trading, use the links in the description box below. You download everything for free. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. So go ahead and visit those links in the description box below. The broker that I use, many people ask me about the broker that I use. The link is in the description box below as well. One of the best brokers in the world. I've been with them more than 5 years now, and I've not had any problems with them regarding deposits and withdrawals. So yeah, go ahead and sign up with them. For just $5, you can open a real life trading account, which you can use to test your strategies, to perfect your systems, to perfect everything without putting too much on the line, and in real life market conditions. I love to do things in real life market conditions because it teaches you how to handle wins and losses, which you cannot learn when you are just trading on fake money, the demo accounts. Okay, so go ahead and sign up with them. Okay, so going ahead with the video, today I'm going to give you a secret strategy that many people do not know about, that you can easily use to make money with your trading. This is another secret strategy that I showed you in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, when you finish watching this video, you can go ahead and watch that video as well. Okay, so I'm just going to start fresh here. We're just going to remove everything from there, and we are just going to go to the basic trading view view. Okay, so what you're going to do first is we are going to add my favorite candles, which is the Heiken Ashi candlesticks. I love these candles because they just make life so much easier on the eyes. For example, this is normal candlesticks, but if you go to the Heiken Ashi, this is how everything begins to look. It basically sort of filters out all the noise. That's why I love the Icon Ashi candles. Okay, then what we're going to do here for the indicators part is we're going to go to our indicator section, obviously, and we are going to search for X trend. This X trend, this is what we want. So it's extreme trend. It's going to be called extreme trend by Joyot Prasad. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but you can see very few downloads there because not many people are aware of this strategy. So that's why I'm bringing it to you. So we're just going to add that indicator, and we are going to go into it and make some tweaks. So we are going to go to our indicator there, to the gear icon there, and we are going to change the blue and the gold into our own custom colors because we can, or you can leave them as the default, but obviously I'm just going to remove this for now. We don't need it. The 200 EMA, we don't need it for now. Here you can change the colors. Maybe let's change it to the standard blue versus red. Blue versus red. Blues for buys, red for sells. Blue, and we go red, and we go blue, and we go red. And that's basically all that we need to do in this section. You can see we have the makings of a strategy already. We've got the makings of a strategy already. The second secret indicator that we're going to use is actually QQEMT4 Sorry, there is no T there. The QQEMT4 glass modified by just Uncle L. This one about 1,335 downloads as of today. Again, a secret indicator that many people seem don't know, not to know about. But that's what we are all about today's video. So we just add that to our chart, and we are not going to do anything to that particular indicator. So this is what we have. This is our secret profitable what strategy. So you even before I start explaining many things here, you kind of have an understanding of what you need to be looking out for and doing on this strategy. So first of all, we are obviously wanting to have this line blue. It needs to be blue or green, whatever color you set for your buys. And this arrow also needs to appear. It needs to appear for a buy. And obviously our Heikin Ashi candles needs to be blue or whatever color you set for your buys. Then when it comes to our QQE, we want this blue line to be below the orange one, and the bars needs to be green. So we'll take our trade somewhere around there. That's where we would take our buy trade. Normally I would say you after you take a buy here, we are holding for maybe a risk to reward ratio of maybe 1:1, 1:2, because this is 5 minute time frame. Things can change. We are not looking to hold our trades for a very long time. So this will be our buy condition there, matching our green bar there. So we would enter a buy. And where would we take a sell? We the moment we see the blue popping out of the orange there, that's a signal that we get out. So there would take our close, would close our buy there. That's what we do. We'll close our buy there. That's basically the rules for what, for a buy. For a sell, obviously, again, we are looking for our candles to be red or purple or whatever, pink or whatever color that you have set for your cells. Then we also want the line to be whatever color you set for yourselves, and for the arrow to be there. And obviously we want our blue to be above the gold, and we are going to look for what, for our red bar there. For our red bar there, we are not greedy. We are not just going to just jump in randomly. We are going to wait for our setup, our system to go to set up really well. So we are going to enter a sell there, and we will wait for this to happen. The moment the blue pops out of the gold there, we get out. That's our signal to get out. At the moment that happens, we are getting out. So you can use this simple strategy for your scalping. This is 5 minute time frame. You might maybe want to test it on the 15 minute time frame, depending on the pair that you are using. Or on some pairs it might not look neat because of volatility and things like that. But I believe this can help you filter out good trades from bad trades. For example, this, you wouldn't be trading this on gold during this time on 15 minute time frame. So it's a good strategy that you can test. Again, if I go back to the 5 minute time frame, you can basically test this strategy and see if it can make you some money. And if it does, leave a comment in the comment section below so that you help others discover this system, whether it's for trading stocks, crypto, or you are trading Forex. Again, guys, I will see you in the next video. I hope I've given you something to think about as you go about your trading today. I will see you in the next videos. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like the video. Until next time, guys. Bye.
chasing. All our minds